One of Canada's most elite soldiers hit in a firefight and treated on the battlefield by Peshmerga forces.
Get to safety, get to safety.
A training exercise designed to help the Kurds help themselves on the front line. Every word is translated.
Put some indirect pressure.
Every moment looks real.
Okay, so if you want to gather around.
If teaching a combat first aid course seems like an odd use of such highly skilled troops known for covert operations, it's actually right in their wheelhouse.
The Hollywood aspects of our jobs are usually what people assign us as being only capable of. But a large part of our jobs has always been to be able to impart knowledge impart knowledge and skills necessary to assist anyone around us.
Allowed to reveal rank only, this sergeant, like all the special ops, have until now only operated undercover.
There is this, misconception, this veil of secrecy that's been draped over our forces and our abilities, our deployments throughout the years. Some of it in part due to operational security reasons.
It's no secret, though, that 69 troops have been deployed in Iraq, and the number's about to swell to 200. Equipping more Peshmerga with precision skills, from tactical marksmanship, mission planning, and battlefield communication. On an overcast day, though, there's an expression here. If it's raining, we ain't trainin'. Cloud cover over this pastoral no man's land makes identifying targets tougher, so ISIS moves closer. There's no such thing as safe, this veteran fighter says, making the seminal tool in the special ops training kit so far the ability to pinpoint a target on the ground and tell the fighter pilot 25,000 feet in the air. It's called painting a target.
It's a very exquisite skill set. It's a difficult skill set to master. We have a number of them here. They're in high demand.
Major General Mike Rouleau commands Canada's Special Operations Forces. Now the Peshmerga are actually painting targets?
Yeah, so we have trained them to the degree where they have the ability to call in airstrikes.
The coalition still has the last word on those targets, but it's something the Peshmerga couldn't do when this military partnership began. It evolved over time into respect, with the two forces living next door in their own temporary quarters, bases pockmarked by indirect fire from ISIS and scarred by casualties on both sides. Last year, Special Ops Sergeant Drew Doiron was killed here when Kurdish forces mistook him for the enemy.
Every day we wake up, we keep Drew close to heart, we keep Drew's family close to heart, and we go back out the door and we do what we have to do. We do what Drew would have done.
For the Peshmerga, who've lost 1,500 troops, this fight is personal.
I've met Peshmerga fighters who are staring across the defensive line into the village that they come from.
Those villages now booby-trapped and empty, the survivors spilling out of refugee camps across Iraq.
We feel safe because Peshmerga, they defend us, protect us.
Lisa Laflamme, CTV News, at a joint military base in northern Iraq.